since you are there in the industry, machine industry, what would be your feeling about or knowledge about the marketing dynamics in the manufacturing industry?
A very good question. I think we are in a very interesting phase where India's growth is really picking up now. Our GDP growth is about 8 to 10%, and the manufacturing industry is growing at somewhere around 12 to 14%. So, at the moment, also because of the geopolitical tensions that are prevailing throughout the world, there is a lot of focus on India, and companies are looking at India as a strong partner, as a market for the future. And since I represent the German industry, we are finding a lot of German and European companies increased focus on India, in a way trying to de-risk themselves from China. And I think this is a very opportune moment for the Indian manufacturers to really grasp this opportunity and be suppliers to the world, as our government also wants that India's participation in the global value chain increases. And I think this is the best opportunity we have presently if we have to increase our participation in the global value chain.
I also take this opportunity for you to speak to your German manufacturers. What would be your message to all those manufacturers who are manufacturing very complicated machines and machines? Their program of setting up their operation here in India.
Right.
What would be your message?
I think companies are looking very positively at India, and in fact, as VDMA, every second week we are participating in inauguration of a factory, a new factory, or extension or of an existing unit, or otherwise we are also seeing setting up of tech centers in India. So overall, I would say in the last 1 year, there is a lot of momentum, very positive momentum for investment in India. And this will help in the growth of the Indian manufacturing industry, but also in creation of jobs and high-end jobs. We are not talking about any jobs. We are talking about high-value, high-end jobs, which is very much required for a young population. Since we have the demographical advantage, we really need to utilize this demographical advantage. And I think these are the opportunities which will give the youth now a good opportunity also, and give them a good job which will be very satisfying for them.
What would be your message to German manufacturers?
I would say look at India. Invest in India. We are the fastest growing major economy in the world, and India's growth story will be there for minimum 10 years, if not longer. So this is the best time. If you are looking to expand overseas, India would be the best bet to put your money on.